Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all the messages on Messenger step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Go to Facebook and log in your credentials. Click the Messenger icon in the upper right corner, then select the See All in Messenger to open the full chat window. Then use a Chrome extension. Open a new tab and go to Chrome Web Store. Search for Delete All Facebook Messages. Choose the extension with the app bubble and red X icon. Then Add to Chrome, then click the Add extension. Click the puzzle icon in the Chrome to manage the extension. Open the Messenger extension and follow the on-screen instructions. Click the Delete All Messages, and the extension will remove them for you. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all your messages on Messenger. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.